Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my realistic people, I still remain progress news and I bring you all the latest updates. See, you know very well that in this platform, we bring it undiluted. We don't add, we don't subtract, we bring it back to back. So, my realistic people, you guys know that I brought an update to you whereby the Ohanaeze Ndigbo placed $50,000 on the head of Mazi Simon Ekpa, that anybody that can hold him, anybody that can trace his way about, they are going to give the person the sum of $50,000. I say shoo. These people, they has a lot of money. But I want to also correct an impression. Is there any need for them to really look for someone that they are going to pay 50 million to betray Mazi Simon Ekpa, for them to get hold of him the way it happens in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I don't really think they need that, being that Barrister Ekpa said very soon he's going to hand over Simon Ekpa to the federal government of Nigeria. So I don't see reason why they are looking for who we then bring him to them, that they will pay the sum of 50,000. I don't know if somebody is getting me, because they said they have already sued him to court, that in no distance time we are going to hear that he is already in Nigeria, he's going to face the law. But Ejiofor said that it's not going to leave him. So why don't they just wait patiently when Barrister Ejiofor bring him to Nigeria? Then they can issue anything they want to issue. Is there any need for them to spend that money? If really what Barrister Ejiofor said is working, I don't know if somebody is getting me. Please, I don't want to misunderstand me, but let's call a spade a spade. Why did they want to spend that type of money when Barrister Ejiofor give the assurance and he told everybody that he is going to bring Simon Ekpa to Nigeria, he sued him and all that? So does that mean that suing did not work? Hey, Chineke ebere. I'm just saying my own point of view from this issue, because I don't know, maybe a lot of people did not know that Barrister Ejiofor has already sued Mazi Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. So why is it that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo did not just wait for them to see him live and direct in Nigeria before giving somebody money? I think that is a waste of money. Or how do you see it? It's a waste of money, because Barrister Ejiofor give the assurance that very soon he is going to bring him to Nigeria. He's coming to face the law. He write petition, a lot of petitions. So does that mean that those petitions, Ohanaeze Ndigbo did not believe those petitions written? Because we are waiting already for a very long time now. We are not hearing about the petition anymore. So me, I'm still asking, okay, if those petitions they wrote against him, is it that all those ones they are fake or matchmaking, calling Finnish government, telling them that, oh, we want you to move Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria, is this, is that? Does that mean that nobody give them a listening ear? Chineke. Because you people should not tell us that the thing is fake. Oh, hey. We don't want to hear it that the thing is fake. So all the calls they receive, the petition they wrote, everything, both the suing, coming to do this, all the noise, that means everything is all fake. See, don't fight somebody that did not fight you. That is just the topic and the message I'm bringing out to you. There is someone that has once been a savior to you when you were in need. When you want to do something, someone take the risk. Someone showed you everything that you need to know. Someone put you through. Someone has, in one way or the other, helped you in life. See, those fingers, unless they are the ones that offend you, if they are not the ones that offend you, you are fighting them on top the good. See, it's going to backfire. Believe me, it's going to backfire. There is a lot of people on planet Earth, they fight a loose battle. They fight you because they don't like you. They fight you because they don't need you. Either they fight you because they are jealous of you. That is just the criteria for. That is just some person's ways of life. They don't care. See, there's something they said. They said, jealousy you are seeing is a torment, and jealousy will destroy you. There are some persons that in life you've grouped them that, oh, this person did not have the atom of jealousy in him or her. There are some persons that you so much love, you so much cherish, you can even beg for them. But believe me, if you open your eyes and see that those people, they are even dangerous more than you think, you will carry your slippers and start running away from them. Honestly speaking, they only love you facially. They talk about you good facially when they see you, but on your behalf, they bite you. And that is what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. After they succeed in putting a bond of $100,000 on him, and they succeeded. We were here when someone came up on here and said, I am among the people that collect the money for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's all over social media. Everybody hear it. Nobody says anything. And now they still think, they believe that the same thing will still happen to Simon Ekpa when they place this money. But a lot of people are wise. See, Judas Iscariot that betrayed Jesus, what happened? He regret his action and said, I die no. Because you see that money paid to him, he didn't use it for anything good. The people that sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or that betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, today where is that money? It's off. Now, they said, oh, if we can do it to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa is just small for us. But they see the way the music is playing. Now, thank God, the World Igbo Congress has come up to condemn the attack that Ohanaeze Ndigbo placing money on Simon Ekpa. They said it's unacceptable. At least for once, we see a group that also stood up for what is right. This person is your son, is a brother. There are better ways to handle this issue. At times, he normally said that they have been crying for years. For years, everybody plays deaf ears. They'll be crying for years, but nobody wants to listen to them. And he said, by the time he do what he knows how to do best, they will be forced to listen. And believe me, they are listening already. They are not calling on him, begging him, talking, oh, stop this, stop that. But when the cry was little, nobody seems to listen. Now, Simon Ekpa, the other way around, respond to Ohanaeze Ndigbo saying, people should disregard that information, that they can't do anything, that they're not even the real Ohanaeze Ndigbo. That makes me laugh. And that makes Biafra talking, saying, oh, this guy, of a truth, he knows exactly what he's doing. Do you know that Simon Ekpa knows a lot? Yeah, he knows a lot. But when you see him, you say, oh, this is COVID-19 agitation. See, is COVID-19 agitator fine, but there is still tendency that not how far, but how well. Not the person that started the race that got there first or becomes the winner. No, you might be the one that starts running first. You might be the one that started the race, but at the end of the day, you see yourself at the back. Why some have been in the back running while you were in the front? All of it suddenly. Overtaking is allowed. That is just the basic truth. In life, overtaking is allowed. The fact that a lot of people are going through that direction, the fact that everybody is doing the same thing does not make it right. So, my correlistic people, this is my little take on the issue on ground and the response of Simon Ekpa to Ohanaeze Ndigbo and the response of World Igbo Congress to Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Thank you so much for listening. Please do well to share this video, like, and subscribe. See, the best thing that you can do is to subscribe to this platform because I will be giving it to you back to back, undiluted. Thank you so much for watching. From me to you, from here, I said bye.